Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are staying at the New Place Hotel near Southampton, and my wife and my two children and I have come for a 2-night stay. Included in the package we get a 2-day pass at Paultons Park and Peppa Pig World. So this is the hotel behind me, so come along. We'll take a look around the hotel and the room, and stay with me till the end of the video, and I'll share how much we've paid for this 2-night bed and breakfast stay, which includes the 2 days at Peppa Pig World at Paultons Park. So this is our room 95. So let's go in and have a look. So the first thing you notice when you walk in is how warm it is in this room. My glasses are steaming up. There is a radiator in the bathroom which is blasting away. So let's go into the main room. As you first come in, there is a wardrobe. An iron board, an iron, and there are some towels for the pool, and a hairdryer. And then there's a table here, but I think this has been put here. As we go into the main room, you'll see why. So I'm staying here with my wife and 2 children, a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. And as you can see, this is really just a double room, but they've made it into a family room. I think the reason they've done that is because on our first night, which was a Saturday, we were here for 2 nights, Saturday and Sunday night, and on the Saturday night there was a wedding, and it was really busy. So I think that's what they've done. They've made this into a makeshift family room. So you've got a nice king-size bed there. There's a single bed at the far end, and then the 3rd bed is just a mattress on the floor, which we weren't too keen on, but our son slept well in there. There's the desk and all the tea and coffee facilities. So that chair and the table that was at the front door, I guess, would have just been here. At the bedside you've got reading lamps, plugs with USB sockets on each side, desk, and you've got bedside tables on each side, a full-length mirror, decent sized TV, which only has the basic Freeview. There's no smart TV functions on there. Some photos on each side. This is a bit of an issue with the window. It only cracks open a little bit, and we've already had a few wasps in the room, which isn't great when the kids go a bit crazy with that. And as I say, it is absolutely roasting in this room. You do get a fan, which is good for only that side of the room. It doesn't really hit the other side of the room. Then into the bathroom. Just standard bathroom with a bath and a shower. Shower was nice, it was good. So to give my final thoughts and review on the New Place Hotel, it's easy to find, it's a good location, check-in was very fast, all the staff that we came across in the bar areas and at reception and in the restaurant for breakfast were really nice, all friendly. When we look at the room, it was okay, nothing special about it, just a nice room. Clearly a room that is a double room that's been made into a makeshift family room with an extra bed, and then the mattress on the floor wasn't ideal, but we made the most of it, and we had 2 nights here. The rooms are very hot. You get a fan. There is a swimming pool. We didn't really have time to go in there, but it did look lovely. It is dog friendly, and we did see a wash station for dogs, and there are drinking fountains and facilities dotted around the hotel. The hotel itself is beautiful. The grounds are immaculate. It's like an old style stately home, I guess. Inside the main building is where the bar and the restaurants are. We had breakfast there, and we attempted to eat one evening, which turned into a bit of a nightmare. We arrived in the restaurant around about 6:30, so we ordered our food, 2 main courses for myself and my wife, and 2 main courses and starters for our kids, and a couple of drinks. Came to near enough £80, so the food is quite expensive. The problem was, me and my wife didn't even get our food. After about an hour and a half, we got to the point where the kids were getting really tired. They had eaten by then, their food had come, but my wife and I's food hadn't come, so we got a refund. And credit where the credit's due with the staff, they did actually refund the whole bill, so we got the whole £80 back. But it was really busy. I think the issue was that they had a temporary chef in, and also the hotel itself was busy, and there was a wedding on that night as well, so I don't think that helped. But the grounds around the hotel are beautiful, really nicely kept. You're able to go for a walk around the grounds, there's lots of greenery, and we're in the countryside, so nice clean fresh air. The Wi-Fi around the hotel and the facilities was excellent. We didn't really have any issues being able to get online, and especially for the kids with their iPads. I would say the negatives are it's not really family friendly. There's nothing to do for kids apart from the swimming. Naturally, you are close to Paultons Park and Peppa Pig World, which is why we came here. I'll come on to the price that we paid for this at the end of this review. Yeah, and the food situation, as I've explained, wasn't great. It just took far too long. My wife had some lunch one day as well, and that took quite some time, and it was just a ham sandwich. I don't understand why things take so long. There is lots of parking, but it's kind of dotted around the outside of the hotel. So by the time we arrived on our first night and attempted to park, we had to park in the woodlands. And then by the time we'd been to try and get something to eat and came to empty our car, it was pitch black. So that's not ideal. But again, on the Sunday when we'd been to Peppa Pig World and came back, the car park was quite empty, so I was able to park near the reception. So I guess that's just part and parcel of a hotel that's busy. But you would expect that they should have had some kind of lighting, I would have thought, down in that woodland area, as it is for parking. It's not just a kind of makeshift parking when it's busy, it is actual parking spaces. So how much did I pay for our 2-night stay at this hotel? We paid a total of £441. That includes 2 nights bed and breakfast at the hotel, and also 2 days park tickets for entry to Paultons Park and Peppa Pig World, which is the main reason we came. We came down to Peppa Pig World for the kids. So all in all, it's been a nice couple of days break. The kids have really enjoyed it, which is the most important thing. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for updates when we release new videos. And if you want to see a video on Peppa Pig, please go to this video up here, and I'll see you in the next video.